everyone. So today I'm gonna be stealing. Oh my god, this is gonna be so funny. I already stole some of these. I'm not gonna sell it so nobody steals from me. Oh. Yeah. So let's go into a different server and we're about to steal. Oh. Why is that so wrong? By the way, the video won't be edited today because I can't re-edit it right now. So I need to find wait, hold up, chat. I'm gonna do it on that. Hold up. Invisible, and I need the I need him to go into his base. When he goes into his base, we're good. Okay, I don't. Wait, what about this kid? What about this kid? What do you? Oh, I need to switch him. Wait, he went into his base. Oh, wait, we need to wait for that one to open. Oh my god. No! I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. We stopped the flight. We're actually dipping. Wait, we just have to go on top of here. Wait, if he leaves, we're out. We have his dragon. Wait, did he leave? Come on, leave. You already know you're cooked. It's cooked. GG's. Yo, I actually gotta feel bad. It's only his first day. Does he even know he's getting stolen from? Bro, imagine who could teleport to your base. That would have been so OP. I can still steal. I'm literally just up here. Oh, this guy. No. Wait, this guy's trying to freeze me. No. Okay, we're still good. But I'm still up here. He won't freeze me. He won't. He won't. Oh, 3, 2, 1. I'm out. No, I'm about to sell it in front of his face. I'm about to sell it. Oh my god, I'm actually bullying kids. He stole it and then he was trying to steal it. Wait, that's actually gonna mess up. Yo, we're in a new server. We have 12 steals. Never try to do this, bro. I'm just doing this for educational. Wait, it's not even legal. Now, yeah, I'm just doing it for fun purposes. Never do this to your. This guy has a lucky block. No, wait, is he? Oh wait, he's right there. That's the one. He walked into his. No, where's my tool? I need to wait until he swaps, but I don't know when he's coming. Swap! Wait, if he gets the rarest one. Come on, swap! Dumb! Swap! Hey, come on, invisible. No, he's so. What the actual fee? I'm just gonna sell something. Wait, is he gonna put something in his base? He might actually do it. Chat, I'm about to do aura farm. I'm just gonna reset. Wait, heck no. I'm not taking nothing. Hold up. Speed coil? Wait, where's the. Oh, what? It's mine. Lucky block. Come on. Huh? Hi. No, bro. I don't need it. This guy's gonna walk in. Bye. Boom. Alright, watch this art, chat. Y'all think I'm not gonna get the rarest one? It's easy. Oh my god. So you have to jump 3 times too. Oh, wait, this guy's about to get a jump. Okay, I can't. No, I tried speed. 1, 2, 3, and then you type Sammy Rat, and then you open it, and then you get the Brainrot. Oh my god, he just got cooked. It is what it is. Job. Oh, hey, it's mine. Actually, I'm gonna sell everything, so this is that's a new brand. I didn't even know that. 700K base price? Yo, wait, that's wait, invisible tool. I'm about to steal. Wait, where's my thing? Where's my thing? No! Where's my flying corpse? I hate this game. Where's my flying? Yes, fly, top game. No, I hate this. I actually hate this, bro. Where was my flying corpse? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. We literally, cause I just literally stole everything. And bro, oh my god. I just joined the same server. I might just block.
What do you mean now?
Bro, go in this. Okay. You're not even doing good at this point, bro. Hey, lying carpet. Now, come on, turn.
The only reason you see me not in the
He's so. He came back. Okay. We go up here. No! Stop it. Okay, I'm about to sell it. So nobody's there. Oh, okay, God. You can go. I don't really care. No, people already. Keep my base open, bro. I don't care. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna go.
What was that?
Walk in your base, bro.
Kill him! God!
That. Oh, no. Oh, that was the biggest mistake you had ever did. Promise you.
What? Wait, we didn't
Why weren't you working? Oh my god. But he has to turn off the flying car. Yes. Come on. What? I hate this. It's literally owner and then it won't work. And you just put it back up there. Dang it. Oh my.
No, can I say something?
Flying carpet, if you do not block it, I'm actually gonna get mad. Cause like I couldn't find my flying carpet, it was annoying.
No, y'all told me to search it up one time. What did you say? Oh, I'm good.
This is already about. No, don't what? Oh my god, this guy's about to get stolen from so easily.
Are we serious?
Oh, a target is at Dragon Canal. Do not walk into your base and lock it. No, he left! He already knew something was gonna happen. Oh, wait, this could be so
Stop, Kiwi, be nice. Be nice.
He gets me. He, I don't know why the owners do.
If you clutch this, yes, that's the.
No, they keep leaving. They already know something bad is happening. Even that goes. That's crazy.
Oh, I should have got that with Rainer.
Giraffa celeste.
Come on, fly.
Bombomini Gussini.
This man. He's in here, okay? He's so loud.
Tralalita.
Yo, I feel so bad.
Hey, no.
No, I'm staying up here. Wait, this can literally get up so OP. No, I actually feel bad. Wait, I'm gonna let her hit me. Hit me. No, he's on. No, wait, no. Wait, hold on. I might be set. She doesn't even care at this point. Okay, I'll just walk out with your Brainrot. It's crazy. We need to wait for her base to open. She literally just gave up on her iPad. She just crashed. No way. We need to hurry up and get back. Oh wait, my base has 100 seconds. We're good. Oh my god, she hit me. Oh, she literally just No, that's crazy. I'll take this though. It's free. I won't. I'm gonna be selling this, by the way. So like, I won't actually earn anything from this, by the way. So never try this. Oh wait, I still have the flying carpet. Yo, he's gonna realize. He's gonna realize that he got scammed. Alright, chat. We might do a part 2 if this gets 500 views. 500 views and I'll do a part 2. It will be a full movie, to be honest. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. 500 views and I'll do it. But I'm gonna prove to y'all I'll actually sell this. Boom, bye. It doesn't mean really anything to me. Cause this literally does not really end anything. I'm just gonna roll these stuff. Wait, should I show this? 1 per? Should I? But yeah, if this gets the views, I'll do it. Hope y'all enjoy. Bye.